Dallas was founded in 1841 and became a significant city for the cotton industry, earning it the nickname, the Cotton Capital of the World. The city is named after George M. Dallas, who was the Vice President of the United States under James Buchanan. Dallas is part of the larger Dallas-Fort Worth metropolitan area, which is the fourth largest metropolitan area in the United States. The Dallas skyline is famous for its unique architectural styles, including the iconic Reunion Tower and the modernist designs of the Perot Museum of Nature and Science. The Dallas Cowboys, one of the most famous NFL teams, were established in 1960 and have a large and loyal fan base known as America's Team. The city is home to the largest urban arts district in the United States, which includes the Dallas Museum of Art, the Nasher Sculpture Center, and the Crow Collection of Asian Art. Dallas is known for its diverse culinary scene, particularly its Tex-Mex cuisine, which combines flavors from Texas and Mexico. The city hosts the State Fair of Texas, the largest state fair in the United States, featuring fried foods, concerts, and a massive midway. Dealey Plaza in Dallas is a historical site where President John F. Kennedy was assassinated on November 22, 1963. The sixth-floor museum at Dealey Plaza chronicles the life and legacy of JFK and the events surrounding his assassination. Dallas is known for its strong business environment, housing the headquarters of several Fortune 500 companies, including AT&T, ExxonMobil, and Southwest Airlines. The city has a vibrant music scene, particularly known for its contributions to blues, country, and rock music genres. The Dallas Arts District hosts a variety of annual events, including the Dallas Art Fair, which showcases contemporary art from around the world. The George W. Bush Presidential Library and Museum is located on the campus of Southern Methodist University in Dallas. The city experiences a humid subtropical climate, with hot summers and mild winters, making it a popular destination year-round. Dallas is home to over 100 parks and green spaces, including the 260-acre Clyde Warren Park, which sits atop a freeway and offers recreational activities. The city has a rich sports culture, including teams in the NBA, Dallas Mavericks, NHL, Dallas Stars, and MLS, FC Dallas. Dallas is a hub for higher education, with institutions like the University of Texas at Dallas, Texas Woman's University, and Southern Methodist University. The Dallas-Fort Worth International Airport, DFW, is one of the busiest airports in the world and serves as a major gateway for international travel. The city is also known for its shopping destinations, including the upscale North Park Center and the historic West End Marketplace. Dallas has a strong tradition of community service, with numerous nonprofit organizations and volunteer opportunities available throughout the city. The city is a center for technology and innovation, often referred to as Silicon Prairie due to its growing tech industry. Dallas is home to the largest contiguous urban park in the United States, the 1,015-acre Great Trinity Forest, which offers hiking trails and wildlife viewing. The city is also known for its impressive public art installations, including murals and sculptures displayed throughout its parks and public spaces. The Dallas Public Library System is one of the largest in the U.S., with 29 locations serving the city. The city's economy is diverse, with sectors including finance, healthcare, technology, and manufacturing driving growth. Dallas has produced several famous personalities, including actor Tommy Lee Jones, musician Beyoncé, and former First Lady Laura Bush. The city is known for its vibrant nightlife, with a variety of bars, clubs, and live music venues in areas like Deep Ellum and Uptown. The Dallas Farmers Market is a popular destination, offering locally sourced produce, artisan goods, and a taste of the region's culinary offerings. The city has a strong commitment to sustainability, with initiatives aimed at reducing carbon emissions and promoting green spaces. Dallas is known for its historic neighborhoods, such as Bishop Arts District and Highland Park, which feature unique architecture and local shops. The city hosts numerous annual festivals, including the Dallas Film Festival, the Texas Book Festival, and the Dallas Black Film Festival. The Dallas Zoo, established in 1888, is one of the oldest zoos in the United States and features a wide variety of animal exhibits. The city is also home to the Perot Museum of Nature and Science, which showcases interactive exhibits and a range of scientific disciplines. The historic West End district features preserved buildings from the late 19th century and is a popular area for dining and entertainment. Dallas has a rich history in aviation, being the birthplace of Southwest Airlines and the home of several aviation-related companies. The city is known for its iconic Texan hospitality, with residents often described as friendly and welcoming. Dallas has a professional ballet company, the Dallas Ballet, which performs at the Winspear Opera House in the Arts District. The city is home to the largest collection of outdoor sculptures in the South, located in the Nasher Sculpture Center. Dallas has a vibrant fashion scene and is known for hosting events like the Dallas Fashion Week. The city is famous for its barbecue, with many restaurants and food trucks serving up traditional Texas-style smoked meats. Dallas has a significant Hispanic population, contributing to the city's cultural diversity and vibrant community events. The city is often associated with the Dallas TV series, which aired from 1978 to 1991 and became a cultural phenomenon. The Dallas Mavericks won their first NBA championship in 2011, led by team superstar Dirk Nowitzki. The city has a strong infrastructure for public transportation, including the Dallas Area Rapid Transit (DART) system. Dallas is known for its commitment to the arts, with numerous theaters, galleries, and performance spaces throughout the city.